Welcome to a series of how-to videos about managing your payroll and payments cycle on the Papaya platform. In this section, you will learn how to make company salary updates. For company salary updates, log into the platform and click on the Payroll tab, and then click on Company Salary Updates. You will see a list of projects. Select the project or projects you wish to update and click Export. Prior to exporting, you will see a confirmation dialog listing the projects and the file. Click on Export Files to complete the updates. Open the downloaded XLS file and enable editing if required. This file allows you to update variable items as needed. To make permanent changes to a worker's compensation items, use the platform's Company Salary Updates. Once you are done making your updates, save the file. Updates are saved on the platform only after the file with the changes is imported. Go back to the Company Salary Updates page in the platform and click Import. Choose the file you updated and import it to the platform. Prior to importing, you will see a confirmation dialog listing the projects in the file and the number of workers. Click Import to complete the updates. Click View Import Activity to see who imported files and when. You can see the files that were imported, the log, and the import's details. You can keep editing the data until the cutoff date. After cutoff, the data is locked and sent for payroll processing.